So, hurry hipong 5:20 tayo Achiva. We go kotsa hunting. Kotsa in English is cicada, the sound that you're hearing, that that insect or bug, whatever you call. That is called cicada. In our language, we call it kotsa. So we have our top kotsa pak teipa. Okay, so we have 2 hunting sticks, and on top of it we have a glue, something like a trap that will trap. Up ahead. That's our leader today, Mr. Somatai. He's one of the best in our village. And going to the hills, the jungle, finding stuff and things like that. So we're going today with him. There, can you hear that? Those are the cicadas. So if you hear the song, that means they're about to sing their song. The ones that are already, those are the ones already singing in forte, crescendo. Some of them, while the rest are picking up their speed, trying to sing already. Wow, this is the sound of the hills, people. Okay, I can hear one cicada singing in andante tempo, and then slowly going to rallentante, and it's about to come to a piano, already slowing down and softening down to piano. It's about to come to a stop. I think he's tired or he's finishing the song. Okay, it's getting stronger now as we approach. It looks like we're about to have our first trap. Ooh. Oh, first miss. That's okay. Oh, we got one. Very good. Here. Okay. Our first cicada. There's another one. The second one. This is male or female? This is male. Oh, that's focusing. Slow. Yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah. This is the singing cicadas. Okay. So in case you're wondering why we are taking this away, hunting them down, don't worry people. These cicadas, they will reproduce like crazy. They come in millions. They will never go extinct. And our people here, this is their food. I don't really take them at all, but our people, they love it. So they hunt this for food. It's their food, okay? So in case you're wondering and saying, oh, poor cicadas, don't worry. They reproduce by the millions. The more you hunt them, the more they reproduce. Apparently that's how their life is. Yeah, mà cái của mày. Cái của mày. Wow, really strong here. So it looks like one tree there are so many of them. Hasa. Apparently there's one overlapping Two of them are twinning. So let's see what's happening. Oh. What up? Oh. Đây là cái gì? This is where you store them. What is that? That's probably an ant hive. Maybe, yeah. Wow. Wow, look at that. His aim is accurate, man. So this one with the pointed end, the pointed ass is the male, I think. And the other one, the blonde one, especially the one that sings, is the female. They must have a story, but I will find out later why only the female sings. Whoa. That's the way you do it, people. We got a smaller one. This one is called Saintaima. Another form of cicada, but different one. We don't usually get this one, but this is the closest to him, so he got it. Saintaima. There's one here, I spotted one. Oh, Yamara. Ah, Yanaway. Two. Wow. There you go. Okay. Got a lot of them here. So they've been trying to reach out of reach. So they can, oh, there you go. I saw one. Oh, I think it's one. Three of them together. They couldn't get them. They ran away. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, Jaka. Okay, 2 kills at a time. There you go. Okay, our homeboy is trying to see. He got 2 at least. He got 2. He's a slow starter. Later on, he will be unstoppable. Right now, he's the hero. He's been killing it. 3-4 cicadas and from 1 tree. Wow. He's quite amazed that there are so many of them on this side of the hill. This one looks tricky. He's trying to reach as far side of the tree. Let's see. What's that? Oh, he flew, escaped. Lift for another day. Yeah, got him. Oh, better one. Oh no. Yeah. Looks like. Yeah. Okay, looks like we are not really made for this one, but let's keep trying. You come. Yeah. That's the one or not? Oh. Yeah. Unsuccessful. Never recovered. My first catch. There you go. Ooh. Oh man. to roll it back like this. Otherwise, all the here maple na share. So this one was singing in the da 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 da. I'm trying to do a Jacob Collier thing. Okay, so da 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 do mi. It's a third. Okay, so 1/3. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a harmony out of this one. Oh. Hey, this is a part. Hey. Oh no, the third is gone. So we are left with the base one only. The first. We need to find the third and the fifth and the eighth. Oh, tricky though. The straight one is quite tricky because you either have to poke it or you have to be very accurate. Go. Down. Where are the? I'm sure the sun is so close, but I'm fine. Where are you, man? Oh. I'm so close now. Oh, he's hiding. Oh, look, right here, right in front of me. Kota sunuraya, goa lengowa toy. Kota. Kacha. Na. Oh, that has gone down even more. Na. So, singing in a low third, low fifth. Da na, do so. Oh, the drum is so much. Oh man. Okay, we are still learning. He's still learning. Okay, spotted another one. It's so easy for him. Wow, look at that. Yeah. He's a pro, man. Yeah. Come on. Yes. Successful. 어떻게 스티린들라 좀 봐. 어이 바쇼 봐야지. 얘리안에 그 사실 내가 근데 이 테크닉이나 테크닉 내추럴리 테마를 내가지. 나도 singing together. Okay, now time to go in for the big one. Here you go. Okay. He got a leaf. It's okay, that's a good one. Good try. Now our fuel is going in. Okay, the trees are now allocated somewhere down there. Wow, so many of them. Oh, there. Where are you? Maybe they know where it is. I think away. Kota. These things I can get it. Oh, it's just spotted. Got it. Yeah. There. Okay. Sorry, man. It's an alto singer. Not very high. There you go. Got him. Got her. where the plane starts. So our village, that's our village. Our village is actually at the foothill, right where the plane ends. So it's not far from the Imphal town. It's about 30 minutes. You could drive this at about 60 kilometers per hour, or 40 to 50, depending on how slow you drive. This is our hills. All these are ours, the ranges. Wow, look at the sky. Angle is difficult, man. Oh, huh? That was difficult. Between the branches. Oh no. What's this tonight? Too high. The aim was accurate, but too slow. So this one is a little out of reach. So when you're just out of reach, you usually sing a song and then they come down, you know, they just take it out. So this one is a little out of reach. So when you're just out of reach, you usually sing a song and then they come down, you know, they just take it out. Whoa. Oh no. This is tricky. Where is it? Disappear there. You can hear the sound. There. So we sing a lullaby for them so that they will not be, you know, distracted. What? Hi. I think there was not enough glue in the end with the pointed side. Otherwise, I got him actually. I got her. See? It's not sticky. It's actually sticky. There's something here. More on the tip. Ahoy. Ran. Steal away the glory. Okay. That's a parrot. Wow, we still have parrots in this region. Oh, lots of parrots actually. There. That's a good sign. I thought all the birds were hunted down. We need to preserve our birds, man. So we need to have some regulations. I remember this place. This place used to be our fasting area that side. If we go over there, but I think there's no more. But this is still our village land. Over there we have the Zoom cultivation we used to have. I think that we have to wait for years once it is done. And all those ranges, I don't know how far it extends, but yeah, our people, they usually had the Zoom cultivation over that side. My family also used to have somewhere down there, but it's been so many years that I last visited here. Wow, it's so good to see. Refreshing. There you go. There's still some. Oh, so this is called umangra. This is the tapioca plant. Our village is well known for this one. We used to cultivate this a lot. Ooh. Hey. Oh, this is a male. So this one is good. I'm looking for this one. So the male has more meats. The male has more meats to it, but they don't sing. They don't sing. I mean, even the female, the backside of the female is all empty. It's like a vocal box. That's why they sing so well. This one, no sound at all, but lots of meat. This is coming down. Oh, it's actually coming down. But too far. No. But the song works. Oh, there's one. The song actually works. Okay, good time. This one. Yes. Going back to one. There's a big one. I'm thinking I lost here, but so high. Too high, this one. Let me sing a song and see if it comes up. I don't think he heard me, man. What? Too high.
Nothing ba?
Okay, don't follow you. Since it's coming down. The home of a particular type of ant. It's a very sour ant. It's called Zatoa. So people actually eat this one. They take it and they eat the eggs, and I don't know, somehow I don't like them, but my people, they love them. Now we're looking for our leader. He disappeared inside. Taradale, tumla. Okay, you see that? That's the male. They don't sing, they don't make any sound, but they are full of meat. So let's try to get them. Let's see if my guy can get this one. Vả bấm lên đi. Không biết lắc rồi. Kìa, ở trên đây. Kìa. Đây. Xanh. Đây. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no. This guy is giving them a lot of life chances. Again, try.
Chúng ta không hay là cái gì à?
Oh, got it. Got it. Let's see. There you go. Poor guy. Sorry. But we gotta eat. People gotta eat. So. Okay, so this plant is actually medicinal. So when we get cuts, we used to grind this and then get the juice out of it and apply it like a soothing oil or whatever it is. But this serves really as a good first aid when you get a cut. Okay, I forgot the name. What is this called? But this one is it's everywhere in our village. But the moment you get a cut, we will just grind them into a paste and sometimes add a little bit of water or saliva even just to get, or just like this. And then you put it on the cut, right? And then tie it up with bandage or something like that. So very useful. Nature gives us a lot of medicine, man. There you go. There's another one. Rachoa, the sour ant nest, hive or nest, whatever you call. High up in the tree. I can hear one over here. This one's a pretty tricky one. But let's see. I can hear this sound. Where is it? Okay. Because of the light, I can't see it, but... Oh, hey. Ay. It's your day. Lucky day. I spotted one more. So spotting them is the most important crystal. If you cannot, then it's going to be difficult. See that? Almost like camouflage, yes? But it's there. Let's see. There you go. Ay. Hi. Our shooter is not very efficient today. Well, he got some. He got 50-50 today. Looks like it's a time, but oh no! That's the worst aim and shooting I've seen by far today. But it happens. Okay. He's not too interested anymore. Okay, redeem your. Oh, you almost redeemed. That was a big one, man. You got only the scales of the tree. So we departed for a while. He went inside deep, and let's see how much he got. Oh, look at that. Oh, almost 100 he got. No, 진짜 더 크다 했는데야. 지금 진짜 크단 말이야. Yeah. So the way he points and he gets it, it's very, I don't know. Looks like very random, but it's very accurate. So our guy here is trying to replicate. Let's see. He's learning his action, especially how to poke it properly. So, what did you learn? Try.
Run it straight.
Oh, at least one miss, which is quite rare. But it's good to miss sometimes. Yeah, look at that. So accurate. Like a pro, man. He's watching. He's learning. Next time he'll be the leader. Yeah, now our learning student is putting to practice. Okay. There's another time. Wow, look at that. Everything he pokes and aims is like, he aims and pokes, is getting it. Okay. Wow, look at that. Another one. Oh, hey. Come on. Try again. Any more? Okay. This looks like this one's going to be the one. Come on. Yes!
Oh!
Finally! Huh?
Finally.
Oh, so that means it's actually the gum. He got it, but the gum is not that sticky thing is not sticky anymore. Alrighty, people. So we've spent for about how many hours? Maybe 1.5 hours up here in the mountain, trying to get some trap some cicadas. And it's been a fruitful one. We learned some techniques today from our master here. This is Somatai. He is one of the top hunters here in our village. And we trapped about 100 or so, a little more than 100 maybe. And like I said, there. So the ones near the roads, right? They've become like experts now because they know what's happening, what's coming their way. So the ones that I hear by the roadside, they are the smarter and the more technically equipped ones to escape from all this trap and everything. So if you go deep down, they are still unaware of what's happening, so they're a little bit more dumb. So that's how we go inside and get them. But anyway, we had a good time today. Today our master Somatai will share some secrets about trapping cicadas. And like I said, these cicadas, you don't have to worry about getting extinct, okay? They come by the millions every year, and yeah, the noise is like so loud. It's really their season. So and we're meeting another very young hunter here. What's your name? Rin Chui Pum. 50 kayan chara. So he got a little more than 50, which is not bad for a wow, so he got up about 6 a.m. in the morning as well. We got up around 4:30. We started about 5 a.m. in the morning, so not bad. He's like 1 hour behind us, and yet he got more than 50 or so. We also got more than 100 or so, so fair enough. All right, people, this is village life, yo. This is people they eat. They really love this. I used to love it when I was a kid, but now I don't take them anymore. It grew out. Okay, there's another one. Let's see. Ooh, there. Got it? Whoa, there. Poor guy. Girl, actually, that's a female. But the one that's making the sound and a lot of singing and stuff, those are the female cicadas, and solid ones with pointed eyes, and a lot of meat. They are called the male cicadas. Oh, another one. This guy is a pro, man. You need to learn from him. So, he is some time na chim cho cha ka se ba phai ra chim cho ka thum phai la na we chung mai thui de ka khui cha ka 420. Wow, thang kali 420. Na pung ya se ka sang le je pung khni ma khai khni ka thau chang pung khni ma khai long li 400 ka khui ja kya pom li khui pha mai thui hi na we khning li ram li ka ji tha ka ja pom li tung mak li ari dam chi song li ari sin na ka sa ka pha ji tung sang mai la tia tung mak yang sang mai li fo I see then na we na cha ka pha the de le jin na we secret ka da hi pha ngai ping ga da pha ra ka hang na chung mai da khui ngai ping na we secret ka hang na hi chung mai da khui ji ga yang da ari na chung na ka pha kan na tho la thang mai da thui ra ji ka pha ji thang mai da wa ra ka pha ji yang da ngai chen ma cha hai la apom ka chi da na chung na pha se ra okay thang na tholi pha mai ji la tholi pha ka chung mai da le thol pa li chok mai ji I see. The not to me here ka hi gum ga nei je ti ram angol tu na khei le wei to me thing rong nei sa khui sa da ra to me a thang in the kheng je Thailand wen ra da he thai ya da hi thang khlyak si sang hai hi ma sem lui da sem me khni si khni si te sang lui nga chang li na pa nau le ya okay the ari marak le ba to thing rong kai le a khon ti mu chok sa la na thum tha but the pay the crazy we got the taste of the Thai that we from my car we mong in are we at the jack and the day
Thứ thay quá.
Thing rong ni a sak te ka te shop ti thei shop ji le ya
Mày rất là thì mày như thế sao?
la ga hili lem rao ji la le thei no si hi pa hi la try sa ni ka ava khong de an khong de le le la kli le ma thei ni jaw lo ji
Next time chung khi đó mà.
à là chim thay tầm khui cái này nó vì lý chân là nó vì cái to ra cái tha giờ lại anh tầm đó lẽ thằng à chỉ là không khui khuê ra là một cử sư khuê đấy cái next level sát thêm mèo đấy cho anh ông ngáo ਸੇ đó cả ishi cha khờ khăn lang đó khuê đấy chân là ishi ai long anh long ở thùng sai ngay nè đó ngay đó này này chân là iram li phải hiểu đó sik ari iram tuyến nó có trả hồi tăng hộ tuyến nó kêu không làm thế rồi English nó sik đó ya cái hi va chung khil la ka kan mang ba mram ne
Mắc cần mấy.
every year thada chung so ni la ning la
Mày rất là.
ai hi va ting ra được len ja chen na kan khwai ngi chi khwai mlem ne ya ri ping pha ngai ping iram li ra lo iram li so pleng li bai pai phau la ge chai le chai ngro ke iram wi style chai khwai ja le o a ka ngan phe ge na na chai ngai mi thui ja ra ka hai na ko sa hi ki mo na hang ka on nai ka chai ngai me
Yêu nuôi được cái sang ngày nuôi được.
o ngui le ki me sang
Ari biasa tanam kha.
à
Cái thấy thầm tháng sang ngày gì?
acha na na ngui ga na si ki pan na ra hang ni
Thật ra in là một cái nuôi. Người ta ít sao vô tụi nào, thật ra phong thắc tụi nào, thật ra nuôi.
okay nó chỉ khẳng tên nó chỉ mấy người ra mắm pham la
Tụi nó thả phai, phong ngô kìa tụi nó.
cáiนั้นcái thiết mấy thui để xài vô cái thằng thì lấy hi cho nên phá này cho ngon sẽ rồi ishi cho đây đấy là cái simli sang phải south so everybody we're on our way home we have had a very good experience so now we head back and we see what we can do at home ciao people wow look at this guy after the speech he got 2 at a time so he has redeemed himself from all his other failures. It's a good way to end the vlog. Ciao.